In a major crackdown on illegal narcotics, the crime branch at Sepahijala police destroyed a cannabis nursery containing nearly 2 lakh saplings on Wednesday afternoon in Manikyanagar and the Kalamchoura Police Station. In a major anti-narcotics operation, the crime branch and Sepahijala district police alongside Kalamchoura police personnel raided the Manikyanagar area on Wednesday afternoon. The joint team destroyed an illegal cannabis nursery containing over 2 lakh saplings with an estimated market value of nearly Rs 24 lakh. Law enforcement agencies confirmed that similar joint operations will continue across the region in the coming days to eradicate illicit drug cultivation. Your report, Chini Khorang.